Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if File Explorer is randomly opening up in Windows 10. So this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start by right-clicking on a blank area of our taskbar, and then select Task Manager. On the left side underneath apps, you want to locate Windows Explorer, right click on that, and then just select End Task. And then select the File tab, select Run New Task, type Explorer, exactly as it appears on my screen here. Check mark where it says Create this task with administrative privileges, and then select OK. Once that's done, you can just close it here. Would suggest waiting for the taskbar icons to reappear, and once they have, you want to go ahead and open up the start menu. Type in Control Panel. Best match should go back with Control Panel right above Apps, so go ahead and left click on that. Select the drop down and then select Large Icons. And now you want to select Autoplay. Where it says use autoplay for all media and devices near the top, you want to uncheck that and then select save. Once you've done that, close out of here, restart your computer, and hopefully that has been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.